Hi guys, we're back again with another video, and today we'll be opening some slime pouches that my little sister has made. So I've got 3 slime pouches and she's got a couple that she's making right now. I made this one and she made the rest. So these are mine and they're Olivia's. So let's get to opening them. I think I'm gonna open.
Let's get to it.
Yeah. So this is one of them. These are made from my little sister's birthday balloons that we popped. So.
What's in the freezer? Hash brown potatoes and a box of baking soda.
I'm trying to open this, but it's not going.
Everybody back in the kitchen. Kimmy's here. Everybody, Kimmy's here. Get down here.
So,
We have these
Olivia, can you just hold this one? Try and open it. This is actually really, really hard because it's got a bit stuck to the fabric. So, just gonna open.
So we have these little
Steve, they were suspecting somebody else.
things here what will help us
I was just so
pop
excited about our
the
anniversary, I
balloons,
completely forgot it was Kimmy's birthday.
and then we're going to be making the things.
Oh, today was going to be really special. Just you and me, ferry ride across the bay, dinner for 2 in Sausalito, and
We're watching a film called Full House. There's another version of it called Full House, but they're really nice films.
Yeah. So this is the slime that was in there. If you can see it, I'll just take the camera here. So this is the slime.
So let's
Very
get popping
squishy.
as well. Here are our cute little things what we're going to be popping with. So I'll just... That's our mum. So...
We'll do a part 2 to this video in a minute. So bye guys.